how to fix error code 57 Valorant problem. To do this, go to the search bar and open Control Panel. Then click on Install a program. From our programs list, we find Vanguard and right-click it. After right-clicking, click Uninstall and then click Yes to continue. We've uninstalled Vanguard. To reinstall it, open Valorant. After opening Valorant, click Update and download Vanguard again. After downloading, we need to restart our computer, but we'll do this later. The next thing we need to do is go to the search section and open services. After doing this, find VGC from the services list and right-click it. After right-clicking, open Properties. From Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic and click Start to run VGC. To save our changes, we click Apply and OK. Now we can restart our computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the error code 57 Valorant problem is solved or not.